and the rough. Early lead is taken by the favorite entry number 1, Storm Blast. It's Storm Blast in the lead, followed by When It Rains It Pours, and moving up in between horses is Jumps, and by the rail is and My Big Oz. And heading, it is still Storm Blast in the lead, followed by Jumps on the outside in second. When It Rains It Pours, running in third on the outside, Mr. Slim and My Big Oz. And into the backstretch, Storm Blast by half a length, followed by entry number 3, Jumps on the outside in second. When It Rains It Pours, running in third, and Mr. Slim by the rail in fourth. On the outside is My Big Oz. The mid backstretch, it is still the favorite, entry number 1, Storm Blast, leading the field by a length and a half, followed by Jumps on the outside in second, and moving up on the inside, Mr. Slim, When It Rains It Pours, and My Big Oz. Rounding the far turn is Storm Blast by a length, followed by Jumps on the outside in second. Mr. Slim remains in third, and here comes My Big Oz now moving up, and When It Rains It Pours is trailing the group. The last bend for home is still entry number 1, Storm Blast, leading the field by a length and a half, followed by Jumps on the outside. Mr. Slim moving up on the inside, and My Big Oz on the further outside. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still entry number 1, Storm Blast, leading the field, followed by Mr. Slim on the outside. And at the payoff line, the horse of Mayor Benhur Abalos of Mandaluyong, entry number 1, Storm Blast, number 2, Mr. Slim, It Rains It Pours, and Jumps.